Say hi to Grandma.
Hi, Grandma. I wonder what this is.
Pull the curly part, maybe if you... No? Okay. You want scissors?
Yeah.
Where are the scissors? Oh, I see some. Here.
Oh, thanks, Mama.
Careful, you don't want to accidentally cut whatever's in there.
It has an extra layer.
Oh. Oh, that's good. You're gonna accidentally cut it. Just rip it open now. Oh, that says, look at it. It says, "Happy birthday, Hannah. Love, Grandma Negri."
Thank you, Grandma Negri. Yeah, that's really good.
Oh, Hannah. Wait. Look. Just stop. Look. Oh, okay. Go ahead. Just rip it now. Yay!
Wait, there's more stuff. More balloons and a necklace.
Let's see. What does the necklace look like?
An owl. It's a golden white owl necklace. Look.
Oh, how pretty. Do you like it?
And I got balloons.
Now you can put them in that game. Oh, they say happy birthday on them.
I don't want to pop my balloons. I just want to blow them up like the blue one.
A little stuck, huh?
Yeah.
What is it? What else is in there? What's that?
This?
No, just Cinderella thing. What is that?
Stickers. Those stickers. Those stickers.
What do you think?
I just love it. I just love it. And I got a black one. I just love it. I just love it. Thank you, Grandma Negri.
Put your finger through the whole thingy to open it up. Whoops, it ripped. Try another one. Here, give it to me. Let me see. That should do it.
My finger.
There.
What?
Okay. What do you say to Grandma Negri?